Hi there, hope you are doing great. So this is the first video in an ongoing series I am planning to do. It's called Not a Logic Pro X Tutorial, and the reason why it's called Not a Logic Pro X Tutorial is because I'm really no expert in Logic Pro, but I would like to try using it, and I would like to make maybe small project, 4-bar loops, melodies, interesting things, make a little project of it, upload it to the internet for you to download for free. So if you think this is a good idea and if you like it, clicking like on the video and subscribing to my YouTube channel, it tells me that this is something that you want to see, and I will probably continue doing it. You're also welcome to share your own ideas in the comments below this video. So let's go back to the computer and see what we can do with the first video in this series. Okay, I'm a little bit sad because I recently just spent 1 hour recording a video creating this project, but I did something wrong and I feeded the audio from my external instrument into the entire video, and it took over all of the audio from the video, so it was impossible to use it. So I have this finished project loop here. This is the one you will be able to download, and I will also provide the MIDI files and the WAV files so you can use it in other DAWs, not just Pro. But we can take a listen to it now, and I can go through it a little bit afterwards. So that's what I am going to go through today. All of the instruments and plugins used in this Logic project are stock plugins, so you should be able to open it on any Logic installation. I will also include the audio file from my Moog synthesizer here inside this project. So the first track here is a plucked sound, and it's being played by Alchemy. It's a great synth. I found a patch here and I did some automation on it, like so. And I automate the cutoff. Then we go to 100%. As for mixing, I'm using EQ, where I take off some of the low end. In addition, I'm using a compressor, just to tighten it up a little bit. Then I use some effects. It's reverb and it's delay, all included in Logic Pro. Then I panned the track a little bit. Then we have layer number 2. And on layer number 2, it's mostly the same settings and also automation. Like so. But on layer 2 I also added a exciter here. You can turn it off. It sounds a bit more dirty. And it goes to 100% there on the cutoff. Then I have this little strange melody thing. It's also played by Alchemy, and these are layered here. It's playing the same kind of melody. It's just some included patches I've been using. You can check them out yourself. And in addition to the melody, sounds pretty nice. then we have the audio file on the bottom here, and that's the Moog, and it sounds like this. So everything together, it sounds really nice. It's really stupid of me when I recorded the earlier video that I had this MIDI track from the Moog going on, and I had it muted, but it was still feeding the audio into OBS, or the screen recording software I'm using. And I didn't hear it, so when I was going to edit this video, it was just this fat Moog bass in the entire video. So I had to redo it. So mixing wise, you probably see my face here now, but you can see on the sliders here, I've been trying to balance the mix a little bit. On the master chain, I used the included presets in Logic Pro. So here is also a channel EQ, exciter, a multiband compressor, and a limiter. So that was today's project. The download link is in the description below. If you want to support what I do, sharing this video with others is very helpful. You can also support on Patreon if you want, or follow on Spotify. Clicking like on the video or subscribing to my channel tells Google that you like this content, and it will be boosted in their search results, so it's not just an ego thing. So thank you for that. If you have ideas for upcoming not a Logic Pro tutorial videos, you are welcome to type them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you later. Bye bye.